This 2016 Keystone Passport 24 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Park City, Kansas, 67147 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Park City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.